Namaste and welcome to today's Vinyasa practice, a quick 15 minutes workout to get you started for the day. Bring your hands to your heart center, Namaskara Mudra. Let's take a deep inhalation together. And breathe out, let it go. Allow yourself to center, to ground, and to set a strong intention for your practice today. Why am I practicing yoga? Bow your head down and very gently inhale, raise the hands up. Exhale, forward fold, extend, elongate the spine. Adho Mukha Balasana, breathe here. Feel a beautiful extension for your lower back here. Try to really open up those knees as wide as you can. Forehead to the floor. Good. Inhale, lift yourself up. Tabletop position, neutral. As you inhale, look up, curve the spine, and exhale, tuck the toes in, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Inhale, curve. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, down dog. Inhale, nice and controlled. Exhale, feel the opening. Lovely, just preparing your body. Inhale, beautiful. Exhale, lift yourself up. Beautiful. Inhale, knees to the floor. Exhale, tuck those toes in, Adho Mukha Svanasana. You can do a little bit of a dancing dog here. Walk your dog, knees bent one by one. Feel the stretch and then melt your chest into Mother Earth. Hold, breathe. Feel the opening. Knees to the floor, ground yourself. Tabletop as you go into Ashtanga Namaskara. Chin chest to the floor. Inhale, Bhujanga Asana. Lift yourself up, Cobra. Exhale, flowing into Down Dog. One more time. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's do this again. Knees to the floor. Inhale as you exhale, chin chest, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale for Bhujanga. Look up, relax the shoulders. And exhale, tuck the toes in, back to Adho Mukha Svanasana, down dog. Knees to the floor, nice and steady. Inhale, exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale for Bhujangasana, beautiful. Look up, feel the stretch. Exhale, down dog, lovely. Feel your energies. Give it your all. Breathe. Breath is the heart of yoga. Use the breath to go deeper. Inhale, stepping the right foot to the front. Inhale, Anjaneyasana. Make sure that your body weight is tilted to the front. Feel the stretch in your hips. Hands are lifted nice and tall. Exhale, cup your hands to the side. Lift the back knee. Crescent. Beautiful. Bend the knee as much as you can. Feel the burn. Breathe. Inhale. Straighten both the legs and exhale, bend into Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale, straighten that leg and reverse triangle pose. Open up the chest. In the entire flow, try to really focus on the breath. Windmill your hands to the front. Step back, plank position. Inhale, exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara, Vinyasa. Inhale, Bhujanga Asana, Cobra. And as you exhale, tuck the toes in, back into Down Dog, and breathe. Beautiful. Focus on your breath. you need to adjust anything here, you're welcome to do so. And stepping the left foot this time to the front. Inhale, Anjaneyasana. Breathe. Feel the elongation. Feel the stretch. Exhale as you lift the knee and inhale, crescent lunge. Breathe here. Feel the burn. Gliding into warrior 2. I am fierce. I'm confident and courageous. As you inhale, reverse the triangle. Look up and smile. Don't forget that inner smile through your posture is lovely. And then windmill your hands back to the floor. Step back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Relax in your down dog. Breathe. Take a couple of breaths here. Try to melt deeper every time you go into a down dog. You're doing amazing. Absolutely fantastic. And then walk your hands towards your feet without bending the knees. And just interlock your elbows. Relaxed Uttanasana, forward fold. Feeling a nice gentle stretch in the lower back and the back of your knees, the hamstrings. As you place your hands below your feet, a version of Padahastasana, a nice straight back here. You can even bend the knees from side to side to open up those hamstrings furthermore. If you need to hold on to your ankles, you're welcome to do that. Listen to your body. Inhale, bend the knees, Utkatasana, chair pose. Lift yourself up and exhale back to Uttanasana, forward fold. Inhale, chair pose, nice and strong. Exhale, Uttanasana, forward fold. One more. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Cup your fingers, look ahead of you. Ardha Uttanasana. Inhale, raise yourself completely up. Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Namaskarasana, back to center. Feel your breath, feel your energy, smile, enjoy the practice. Adjust anything that you need to. And just check in with yourself. Inhale, lift the hands up, Urdhva Hastasana, nice and steady. Exhale, forward fold. Halfway through. Hands in Namaskara as you touch the floor. And then walk your hands away from you, back into your down dog. Meet me there. Breathe. Focus on the breath to help you through these movements, through the postures that are saying a story. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Bend the knee if you need to. Breathe. And exhale. Inhale, other side, nice and steady. Feel the opening in your hips. And exhale, left leg down. And then relax, knees to the floor. Adho Mukha Balasana. Give yourself a little bit of a break. Adjust, feel, loosen up. And inhale, lift yourself up, tabletop position. Nice and steady. As you exhale a strong namaskara, make sure the hips are nice and lifted. Breathe here. Feel it. And then inhale, look to the right into your cobra pose. Exhale, flow down one more time. Inhale, come back and look, twist to the other side, left side. It's like the dancing cobra. And make your way down, nice and controlled. You're using your arm strength here. Beautiful. Relax. Make a little pillow with your hands for the forehead. Relax into a prone position. Take a breather. Beautiful. Interlock your hands behind your back. Lift up. Lift the chest as much as you can. Feel the lower back. And then if you're comfortable, lift your legs Exhale. Well done. Back to your pillow. Beautiful, beautiful. You're doing a really good job. Breathe, feel the energies. And then you're going to hold both your ankles, preparing for your Dhanur Asana. Lift your entire body up as though you're allowing the feet to go away from you, so that will help you for that beautiful lift. And exhale, relax. Lovely. Release the legs. Inhale, make your way back into Adho as you exhale. Beautiful. This time you'll be able to go even deeper. You're going to feel such a beautiful extension in your spine. Allowing the right knee to come to the front, making your way into a forward fold. Ek Badraj Kaput Asana, pigeon pose. Feel the stretch in the hips. Just relaxing here. Beautiful. Are you smiling within? That's important. That's actually the most important factor of the practice. And the other side as you transition via Adho Mukha Svanasana and make your way into the pigeon. Forward fold. Feel the stretch in your hips. And then you're going to tuck the toe in and make your way back into our favorite Adho Mukha Svanasana, down dog. Breathe here. Breathe. Bend the knees and straighten them. Bend the knees, straighten, but keep the knees lifted. Don't touch the floor. Beautiful. And then stay there. Try to go deeper. Inhale and exhale, knees to the floor. Open them up and relax one more time in Adho Mukha Balasana. Wide-legged child's pose. As you inhale and exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara, back to Bhujang. Relax. Beautiful. Make your way into a comfortable supine position. You're almost done. Well done. And take a moment to just drop your right ankle over the left thigh into a supine twist and just relax. Look to the left. And then, nice and comfortable, switch sides. Look to your right. And just feel an amazing twist in your spine. Relax completely from everything that we did. Feel the opening. Allow yourself to cool down. Beautiful. As you bend the knees here, ankles are as close as you can towards yourself. Interlock your hands behind your back and lift yourself up into Setu Bandhasana. Bridge pose as high as you can make yourself. We're strengthening your back here. Beautiful. Breathe and exhale. Lovely. Make your way slightly down towards your mat. Make sure you're not wearing a clip. And then you're going to inhale, lift yourself up into Sarvangasana, shoulder stand. Nice and tall. Hold your lower back. Try to make a nice straight line. And then if you want, and you're comfortable, if you want a little bit of a deeper stretch here, make your way into Halasana, the plow pose. Interlocking your hands behind your back. And the toes will reach towards Mother Earth. And breathe here. You can play around if you want by lifting one leg at a time. Listen to your body. And then once you're comfortable and ready, one vertebra at a time, bend the knees and land graciously and safely back into a supine position and twist from side to side with the knees bent into a figure 4. Just like this to release any tension in the spine. You can even look from side to side to avoid any neck injury. Beautiful. Well done. And then as you're comfortable, make your way into Supta Baddha Konasana, supine butterfly pose, hands on your belly. Allow gravity to do its own work and just focus on your breath and relax. Relax completely. Completely relax. Deepen the breath. Get the knees in, and finally, extend your legs into your final posture, which is Shavasana. Allowing yourself moments of absolute stillness, serenity, and silence, absorbing all the beautiful benefits of today's practice. I'm going to allow you to stay here for as much time as you need to. If you'd like to offer a prayer, please do so. Closing here with a lot of love and light. Namaste.